Yes, PFT. I had explained this accounting standard 6 ka direct and the indirect method, and I had also said it is now merged with AS10. Now there is no more individual AS6. It is now merged with AS10. Okay. और क्या था इसमें यार ये प्रीपेड रेंट वाला कॉन्सेप्ट तो रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्री था. ओके. See this. So all this we have done. ये सब हमारा हो गया है journal entries. Okay. Now coming on to the ledger. Now students pay attention. हाँ, ledger के लिए थोड़ा ध्यान दो. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ सुनो. Okay. Ledger उसी order में बनेगा जिस order में आप non-integral में ledgers बना रहे थे. Order will not change. Order is not gonna change unless and until there is something mentioned in the question that some absorption part or charge or allocation part of any overheads is missing. Then obviously you have to first close the overheads account, transfer the balance to the respective other ledger, and then close the stock ledgers. Okay, like that. तो ये बहुत rare sums में होता है. This comes along with practice only. And कहाँ पे क्या है? I've already told you all many times when I was doing non-integral. Okay, integral, non-integral में the only basic difference is you all know GLA account. Yes, तो GLA account नहीं बनेगा, उसकी जगह पे बाकी सारे प्रोसीजरल लेजर्स बनेंगे. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट अकाउंट इज सेम SLC, देन WIP, finished goods. If you want, I'll put numbers for the accounts. That will be better so that it is easy for your reference. See this one first. Okay. Second, I had told you last lecture, I'll be just showing you the brush up of it. 3, 4, 5, okay, 5, 6, 7, I'll have to write it here, 7, this is 8, तो यहाँ तक तो सेम ही है ना, 8, 9, ये भी सेम है, सेल्स सेम ऑर्डर नॉन इंटीग्रल में भी है, 9, then FPL, yeah, 9, 10, okay, FPL, there you will have CPL, here we have FPL, 10. अब GLA की जगह पे, now we are not making GLA account ना, so instead of GLA we are gonna make debtors, we are gonna make creditors account, we are gonna make prepaid rent account, okay, we are gonna make fixed asset account, asset के नीचे ही उसका provision for depreciation account भी उसके नीचे ही बनाने का, okay, then we are gonna make cash bank account, okay, then we are gonna make एक और है share capital, okay, yeah. तो जो भी आपके ओपनिंग ट्रायल बैलेंस में है, क्लोजिंग ट्रायल बैलेंस में उतना लेजर्स होना चाहिए. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ GLA, these are the ledgers which you are going to make extra. Okay, so got it? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, there are 17 ledgers, you can imagine 17, and उसके नीचे trial balance. ठीक है. So I'll just give you a view of your question. So ये रहा, ये आपका ट्रायल बैलेंस है ओपनिंग, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, बराबर है ना. तो ये जितने भी आइटम्स ओपनिंग में है क्लोजिंग में भी उतना होना चाहिए, सब्जेक्ट टू एक्सेप्शंस लाइक इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी एब्जॉर्प्शन तो वो वाला लेजर नहीं आएगा ऑब्वियसली. जैसे अगर इसमें फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स होता और फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स आप एब्जॉर्ब कर रहे हो तो कहाँ से आएगा फिर, इट विल नॉट कम इन दैट क्लोजिंग ट्रायल बैलेंस. ओके, लाइक दिस, सब्जेक्ट टू एक्सेप्शंस. ठीक है. So you all know the first step is what? Always transfer the opening balances. Okay. So see, I have transferred all the opening balances to their respective ledgers. See, opening stores ledger, opening WIP, opening FG. Okay. और क्या था opening balance? चलो देखते हैं साथ साथ में. ओपनिंग बैलेंस में ओपनिंग FPL, ओके, PNL अकाउंट का ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया 30, इट्स अ प्रॉफिट बैलेंस इसलिए क्रेडिट साइड पे आएगा. ओके, डेटर्स का ओपनिंग दिया था 12,000. क्रेडिटर्स का ओपनिंग दिया था 8,000. ओके, कैश बैंक का ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया था. कैश बैंक इज अ करंट एसेट. करंट एसेट्स हैव डेबिट बैलेंस. So see, it's on the debit side to opening balance. Fixed assets दिया था 55,000. Provision for depreciation opening was given 5,000 on the credit side, and share capital was given 80,000. Okay, so opening balances is the first thing you're going to record, and then you're going to record all the journal entries which we had done last lecture, right from journal entry number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, yeah. ये जो 14, 15 है, ये हिडन एंट्रीज है. ये आपको लेजर से मिलेगा व्हेन यू क्लोज द लेजर. ओके, क्लियर? ये अभी नहीं डालनी है, ठीक है? सो वंस यू आर डन विद दिस, you close what do you call it? Yeah, close ledger. You get a closing balance. Okay, take it to obviously closing trial balance. When you close WIP, opening is on the debit side, so closing obviously will be on the opposite side. Then you have to close your WIP ledger. Okay, you get 47,000. When you close finished goods, 20,000 closing balance. Okay, wage control tally हो जा रहा है. Okay, so since wage control tally होगा, go to your journal entry. Yes, this one. Journal entry number 1A, 1B, 1C, wages absorption. So there you will have to write no entry since wage control account tallies. Pay हुआ है, charge हुआ है, but absorb नहीं होगा. Okay. So okay, few entries you come to know. I mean, we know the heading, but we don't write the journal entry because अगर ledger में कभी कोई balance हुआ तो उसको absorption में डालना पड़ता है. Okay. This is done. Then coincidentally in this sum, factory overheads gets tallied. Otherwise, can't tally होता है. Factory overheads generally tally नहीं होता है. We generally get a balance which we transfer it as under absorption or over absorption depending on the question. But coincidentally in this sum, the factory overheads ledger has tallied. Okay, 48,300. So go back to your journal. Factory, yeah. Journal entry number 8A, 8B, 8C wala. Factory overheads absorbed. Right there, no entry because FOH account tallied. Okay, clear? Same. Yes, sir. When you close ledger, then only you come to know. So even if exam में journal entries are asked, you have to by default make the ledger by default. But see to it that you're making the ledger very roughly because if journal entries are asked, then marks are given for only journal entries. Okay, ledgers are just supportive to the journal so that you can calculate your hidden entries. That's it. Okay, so you have to do it very roughly. You have to train yourself, tune yourself such that you know how to write it in a shortcut way and you get the right balance, because getting the right balance is very important. हम लेजर क्यों बना रहे हैं? ताकि हमें पता चले भाई कितना बैलेंस बचा है. AOH, okay, this tallied. Selling and distribution also tallied. Okay, so again same step, go back to your journal. यहाँ पे journal entry number 9A, 9B, 9C, admin overheads absorbed. Write that. No entry because admin overheads account tallied. And same way for 10A, 10B, 10C. Okay, selling and distribution is absorbed. No entry of absorption because the account got tallied. Okay. कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स का बैलेंस जाएगा एफपीएल में. ओके. And don't forget to give the second effect in FPL account. That is very important. Generally students भूल जाते हैं second effect देना जब balancing figure निकालते हैं. Yeah. Then when you close sales ledger, again same what we used to do in non-integral, we transfer the balance to CPL there, your FPL. So balance will go to FPL. Okay. And don't forget to give the simultaneous second effect. Then FPL, you close, there is a profit in this sum. ठीक है. इन नॉन इंट्रीगल व्हाट वी यूज टू डू, जब हम सीपीएल अकाउंट क्लोज करते थे उसका बैलेंसिंग फिगर जाता था जीएलए में, उधर जाके एडजस्ट होता था. करेक्ट. यहाँ पे ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, दिस नो जीएलए अकाउंट. ओके. तो अब क्या करने का, टेक दिस बैलेंस, ट्रीट इट एज अ क्लोजिंग बैलेंस एंड टेक इट टू क्लोजिंग ट्रायल बैलेंस. ओके. डेटर्स, closing balance. Okay, take it to closing trial balance. Same for creditors, closing balance, take it to closing trial balance. Prepaid rent, same. Closing balance, take it to closing trial balance. Cash at bank, closing balance, take it to trial balance. Fixed assets, same. Fixed assets में कोई adjustment ही नहीं है. कैसे होगा, प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट मेंटेन हो रहा है ना, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. तो व्हेनेवर इनडायरेक्ट मेथड यू फॉलो ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन, nothing, no entry is seen of the depreciation in the asset account. Okay. Because there we treat assets on historical cost basis. Okay. Provision for depreciation, close this account, you get a balance, take it to obviously trial balance. Share capital, similarly, close this ledger, take the balance to closing trial balance. And then this is your closing trial balance. Obviously, it has to tally. It will tally because there is an opening trial balance plus journal entries given in this. Okay. Am I clear with this sum? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is this question clear? So just, this is also a similar sum. See. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 सिमिलर सम है, बट मैं आपको थोड़ा सा हाइलाइट्स बता देती हूँ सम में. ठीक है. See this, just pay attention. Okay, you guys are going to solve this sum. Same sum hai, but I'll have to show you this highlights. Prepare necessary ledgers. Okay, ledgers पूछा है. But I would like you to practice with the journal, ledger, and then trial balance. Please practice this that way. When you're practicing sums, don't directly start with ledger. Journal, ledger, trial balance. Because हमें नहीं पता है एग्जाम में क्या आएगा, ledger आएगा, trial balance आएगा, दोनों में से एक तो पक्का आएगा. Okay, and also prepare a trial balance under integral accounts. Fine. Stores, ये opening balance दिया हुआ है. This is opening balance. Okay. Stores control WIPFG, bank, creditors, fixed assets, data, share capital. Again, provision for depreciation. Okay, just a minute. This one, provision for depreciation. This one is important. Okay? Yeah. So ये इसका tally amount दिया है. Direct wages is given to you. Indirect this all we have done. This is all we have done. ये भी हमने किया हुआ है. Yep. Depreciation on furniture बोला है. तो the fixed assets that you have, just a minute बच्चे. See here. Depreciation on furniture. Okay. This. See this, depreciation on furniture. Okay, and इधर बोला है provision for depreciation. ठीक है, yeah. So furniture का depreciation should go in which heading? Furniture का depreciation should go in which heading? Write it in the chat box. कौन से heading में furniture का depreciation जाएगा? Last lecture we took a sum जिसका depreciation was on plant and machinery. So I took it under factory overheads. Okay. So where will the depreciation of furniture go? The whole sum is same except furniture wala part and the prepaid expense wala part. So where will depreciation on furniture go? Under which heading it should be there? Okay. Office overheads. Fine. Yes. So what is the journal entry for depreciation in direct method? So journal entry is what? Depreciation account debit to asset account. Okay, fixed asset account. This is the okay. इसको थोड़ा रिवाइज करेंगे तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? Admin overheads ledger control account because the depreciation is of furniture to fixed asset account. This is the journal entry under direct method. Correct? Okay, but अपने को तो इनडायरेक्ट मेथड करना है ना, क्योंकि प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन दिया है. तो इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में the journal entry for depreciation is depreciation account debit to provision for depreciation. Okay, provision for depreciation. So if I have to have a change in this, so now instead of depreciation I will write admin overheads ledger control account debit to provision for depreciation. This is the journal entry under indirect method of AS6. Is this clear to every? Paid rent. Okay, included in office overheads. The last lecture जो sum था question number 12, वहाँ पे देखो इधर depreciation on machinery था, वो हमारा हो गया. और इधर देखो इधर क्या दिया था? Prepaid rent wrongly included in factory overheads. Same item है, same transaction है, but क्या बोला है? Prepaid rent included in office overheads. ठीक है? So what journal entry I will pass? Prepaid rent is what? It's an asset. It's a current asset, right? Current assets have debit balance. So my journal entry will be prepaid rent account debit to office overheads ledger control account. So question number 14 also I'm discussing with you all. Same sum है. Yeah. इधर भी देखो provision for depreciation है. और नीचे देखो कुछ तो दिया होगा फॉर श्योर. या सी डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन डिलीवरी वैन है एंड प्रीपेड रेंट रॉन्गली इंक्लूडेड इन सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ठीक है, तो कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी टोल टू डेप्रिसिएशन? या एब्सोल्युटली राइट सर. यस एग्जैक्टली. नीरज डेप्रिसिएशन टू प्रोविजन. हाँ नीरज, ओरिजिनल एंट्री बराबर बोली तुमने, डेप्रिसिएशन टू प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन. बट डियर इधर अपने को चेंज करने का है. ये किसका डेप्रिसिएशन है? डिलीवरी वैन. तो डिलीवरी वैन किधर जाता है? सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ओवरहेड्स टू पीएफटी. थोड़ा रिवाइज करना है. ठीक है नीरज, समझ में आया? ओरिजिनल एंट्री तुमने राइट बोली है, बट अपने को उसको एलोकेट करना है ना, तो एलोकेट उस कहाँ होगा? सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ठीक है, या okay, so try this sum 13th and 14th. I will not be doing it because it is